Hello there. I'm Özgür. It's quite exciting to just be part of this insider activity, and this is the first time I'm just involved in such an organization. Uh, a little bit about me. I live in Turkey, Ankara, the capital city of Turkey, and I'm working for a global company called Oracle. I have been there for some time now, and I'm from the support organization. I'm the support manager for EMEA region for our specific product group, which is the Linux operating system and the Oracle VM virtualization product. So I studied computer engineering in Middle East Technical University and have been involved with computers and lots of different electronics throughout possibly last 20, well, not 20 but 30 years of my life. um okay, what about it? So it's, as I said, it's quite exciting to be in there because I rarely have experience to extensively test something, especially with respect to new laptops, uh, considering the fact that I have been doing lots of in the past kernel coding fixing, and especially working with C code and Python code um, to do lots of diagnostic stuff, especially. I was working primarily on desktops, but for some years now, I need to be mobile all the time, and that's primarily one part of being a manager. Is that you would need to be accessible uh, most of the times during in airports, during concerts, or anything would be required of you. So, speaking of other stuff other than the work, well, I'm quite active on Twitter. I had been actually, just that requires a lot of time to be spent for, and also the things you can do using a tablet computer or a mobile phone is quite limited. And until now, have been using very powerful and large scale laptop or notebooks. But this Ultrabook is a kind of a new type of experience that would solve potentially lots of different needs that I have in my life, especially from the computing standpoint. Apart from the technology, I'm very interested in music, and especially classical music. With respect to classical music, what I primarily do is that I have been singing many choirs. So currently, if I'm just getting involved with one-off choir projects, like a new premiere of a new composition or work, I also focus on 20th and 21st century classical music. So that includes lots of listening and taking notes and so on. Apart from that, I play the classical guitar. I had been trained for it years ago, but just lost touch of it. So last 6 months now, I had started to learn it back. So there is lots of research and work going on that scenario. So as I said, um, I recently got my Ultrabook and already loving it. Some perspectives, and there are some perspectives that's not working out. But still, one challenge there is that I had always been using Linux as a desktop operating system for the last 5 years now. But now I just try to get used back to using Windows a bit. But well, anyway, it's easy, so going to get hold of it quite easily. So it's very nice to meet you. It will be exciting. This will be very exciting, and I hope to get to know more about yourselves too. Thank you.